A lot better for him. All right, but move down a little bit towards your feet for me. Right there. And relax these muscles as much as you can. Deep breath. All the way out. Blow it out. Blow it out. There you go. Beautiful. Nice. He's always going to adjust that all the time. Beautiful, sir. Ready? Yeah. Deep breath for me. All the way out and relax as much as you can. Good, relax. I got you. Beautiful. Nice. You know, people always ask me, they're like, when weightlifters come in here, how do you adjust them? They're actually the best, easiest way to treat them because they're nice in shape and muscles are nice and relaxed. Deep breath. All the way out. Beautiful. Relax. Nice. And just relax as much as you can, bro. There we go. Just gonna put motion back in these segments. Nice. You alright? One more, bud.